different head, in neutral, belt disengaged. So the noise appears to be when it pulls backwards, and this comes a bit of pressure just here. So I don't know what that's all about. Okay.